Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure both devices have enough power. That avoids interruptions. Once done, open the AirPods case and hold the small button until the LED flashes white. This forces pairing mode. On your Redmi, go to Settings, Bluetooth, and scan for new devices. Make sure Bluetooth is on and visible. Tap the AirPods name when it appears. Wait briefly for confirmation. Pairing will show as connected. This immediate action gets audio routed to the AirPods, so you can proceed to settings. With the AirPods connected, you should configure how they behave for media and calls. Open the paired device entry in Bluetooth settings and enable both media audio and phone audio so music and calls use the buds. Next, test one-ear and both-ear modes for calls. Make sure the headset mic is active. If your AirPods model uses a companion app or supports codecs, select the best codec and check latency. Finally, practice the touch or squeeze gestures so you know how to play, pause, skip, and answer calls. To finish, run a quick audio test with music and then place a call to confirm mic quality. Make small volume adjustments in the Redmi media controls. If you need persistent battery status, check the notification panel or use a widget. If connectivity problems occur, first toggle Bluetooth off/on and move closer to the phone. If issues persist, reset the AirPods by holding the case button for roughly 15 seconds until the LED cycles amber then white. Then repeat pairing. That clears stale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.